Hey everyone, welcome to Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the pumice stone. I'll tell you what they are, how to use them and maintain them. This is the pumice stone that I will be using as an example. I bought this a few years back from a local pharmacy store. And I'm really sorry as I don't remember the brand name. What is a pumice stone? A pumice stone is a lightweight stone that has an abrasive surface. It is typically light in color. It is mainly used in the beauty field. It is used to soften the calluses and corns. So basically, this will soften up the hard skin. This is one of the many innovations used in the nail care industry. Did you see the other innovations that I have already mentioned on my channel? Click on the eye icon on the top right corner to see the videos. As this video progresses, more such pop-ups might appear. Do check them out for more information. The ingredients. Such a stone is formed when lava and water mix together. Is a pumice stone safe to use and are they toxic? A pumice stone is safe to use as long as it is used properly and also maintained properly. They are made out of natural minerals, so I doubt that it is toxic. How to use a pumice stone? For example, if I'm using the pumice stone on my feet, I will first soak my feet in a bucket of warm water for a while, or until I start to see some wrinkles form on my skin. Then I wet my stone and gently rub the stone in circular motions. The pressure I'm using is a firm but gentle scrubbing motion. I do this for a while as I am just removing the dead skin. If you are removing something much harder like a callus, then please do not remove the hard skin 100%. It is best to leave some. Personally, I focus only on my heel area and not the entire sole of my feet. And if you have a health condition like diabetes, then you have to be extremely careful. I would actually recommend you to first consult with a doctor before doing something like a pedicure. Can I use this daily? Well, this depends on what you're using it for. I personally use this to remove the dead skin from my heel area. So I use this only when I'm doing my pedicure, which is like once every 2 weeks. If I had a callus, then maybe I would use it every day a bit to maintain or slowly remove the callus. Lifespan of the product. This depends on the usage and amount of friction it undergoes. Since I use it for personal use and not share it, mine lasts for more than a year. How to check the quality? I have never heard of any method to check the quality of a pumice stone. Do they come in different sizes? Every brand has its own shape and design. So yes, they do come in different shapes and sizes. Did you check out my salon style pedicure at home video? This is the pumice stone that I featured in my video. Storage and maintenance. Even though I do not share my pumice stone, it is still important to sterilize it to eliminate the growth of bacteria. And in turn, this prevents skin infections. I sterilize my stone by first running it under running water. Then I boil the stone in a pot of hot water for about 5 minutes. Next, I dry them completely and place it inside my cupboard. Remember to be very careful with them, as in don't drop them, they will break. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!